It's a box! Yay! I love boxes. And who am I? None other than Indiana Jones. And welcome to my channel, Crafting with Indiana Jones. If this is your first time here, this is a special day because I am unboxing this wonderful box from Cottage. I have partnered with them to pick out some of my lovely choices here and see how I can incorporate it into my decor. And also I wanted to share some of my favorite fall DIYs to get you inspired. But let's check out what's in this box. Let's go. All this talk about boxes reminded me of what I used this little crate or box that my brother was about to throw away last year. Now, I used an image that I found on graphicsfairy.com. If you haven't been to graphicsfairy.com, please check out the link below. She has so many wonderful free images that are absolutely perfect for Halloween and for fall with this wonderful pumpkin label. So please check out graphicsfairy.com. This pumpkin label I just thought screamed vintage pumpkin, vintage farmhouse, and I thought it would be so perfect for this little crate. Again, that it was going to be thrown out in the garbage. You can also use this for any kind of boxes that you receive in the mail, like the one I just received today. Yes, like that one. And you can just zhuzh it up with a little bit of contact paper that looks like wood, like I used here. And what I did to stuff it so I wouldn't have to fill it all the way up to the brim with moss was fill the bottom with some plastic bags. What a perfect way to use all those plastic bags that you have around the house. Now, moss and I have a special relationship. I don't know, is it moss for you as well, where it just gets all over the place? And I love to use it, but my goodness, what a mess. Is it moss? Is it glitter? Is it small beads? What is it? Or styrofoam? What is that item that you love to use, but oh my goodness, just dread to use at the same time? Now, I've stuck some toothpicks into these pumpkins that I had from Dollar Tree just to be able to secure them in place. And these are pumpkins that I found at Dollar Tree, and I did do a little bit of painting just so they would have a little more natural color. If you've seen pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, they have a very unnatural orange color sometimes. So I adapted and painted them as I wished to have them in my fall decor. Now I'm adding some more sprigs and beads, and not beads, but seeds or buds. I don't know, those little bally things. I don't know what you call them. And added some leaves just to really make it complete. And I love this little crate so much. This actually sat upon my desk at my office last year, and I really enjoyed not only making it, but bringing it to the office. I felt very proud, and I hope you try this too. Okay, to be fair, I kind of started. I just, undid the tapes. Yeah, that's not interesting. Undoing the tapes is not interesting. But I haven't opened anything else. I obviously haven't opened this box. I don't even know how to open the box. How do you open the box? Oh, how do you open? Oh, there we go. It's so exciting. Ooh, that's very nice. From Cottage. This is from Julia. Thank you, Julia. Look how nice they have everything packaged. Ooh, I can't wait. All right, what can this be? So this is, let's see. What can this be? Where's my scissor? Oh, so cute. I love this. This is perfect for fall and autumn, so you can make your own individual little pot of, look at how cute. It's a little crucifix. I love this to make my own little, like having some, butternut squash soup. Oh, look at that, how cute. Oh, and I can use this for decor as well. Can you imagine what you can put in here? How lovely. I love it. It's also good for desserts. Some pumpkin loaf, my own little individual pumpkin loaf just for me. I love it. All right, let's see what else is in here. This is a soap dish, but I don't use soap. No, I'm just kidding. No, of course I use soap, but I thought it was just so pretty that I thought I would put a nice little glass container here and use it as a jewelry holder because it's just too beautiful. I love it. It's just so pretty. What do you think? Look at that. I love anything with birds, and look at I just love the bronzing. This is beautiful even for fall right now. I can actually use this for decor. Oh my gosh, I can put pumpkins in here. Oh no, yes, I can. Oh my gosh, yes. Check out and see what I'm going to do with this. Oh, I couldn't help myself. I was so inspired the moment I opened each one of these items. So here I am taking that beautiful bird's nest soap dish, and I am going to create some wonderful fall decor. The beautiful colors of that metal is just perfect to set my little pumpkins here. I have a few little pumpkins that I haven't used in other crafts, and I thought, oh, I can just display them here. And again, I can use the soap dish again as a soap dish or as anything else I'd like for the coming seasons, either for the winter or the spring coming up. But look at this, how wonderful would this be for Christmas and also for spring with an Easter display. I hope you like this one as well. I love this, look at that. It's heavy. This is heavy. This is a heavy wrought iron soap. Now let me tell you something. I know we have all those hand soaps, but I actually have beautiful vintage looking soaps, and I would love to use them, and this is so beautiful to put on the side of my sink. I love this. This is gorgeous. This also can be used for jewelry if you want to use it for that. I wonder what else I can use it for in my decor. Let's see what else. Now, who can't fall in love with this? Look at that. It's a little mousey, and it got like a place for a name tag. But I thought how cute this would be, you know, to set a dinner table like for Thanksgiving or something. Maybe with everybody's name, you buy one for each person if you want to do that, and everybody has their own little mouse. Or even if you have like a cheese platter, wouldn't it be cute to have mice on a cheese platter with the name of the cheese on top? I think it's adorable. Look at that, I love it. It's also pretty heavy. It's not resin, it's real like lead or something. I love it. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I wanted to sneak this little mouse into my fall display as well, and I thought how perfect would it be if he came in heralding the fall season and saying fall is here because all these leaves are falling on top of him, and he creates this wonderful autumn banner with these fallen leaves. How cute! How could I resist this? This is a book for fairy tales. Can you imagine? This is a beautiful, beautiful jewelry box. Can you imagine this as a gift box? And look at that woodwork, how they've made the pages. This is absolutely beautiful, and it's all wood. And you can engrave this. Imagine engraving this for a wedding. Like, instead of having like a pillow for a wedding, you engrave this like, and they lived happily ever after. Inside, you put like a little velvet pillow, and there are the rings. I know, I just thought of that. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I absolutely, absolutely love this. Oh, all the ideas that are coming through this. Oh my gosh, I put the little mouse on top. And they lived happily ever after. Oh, so many cute, cute, cute ideas. I absolutely adore this. I think this is wonderful. My head was spinning full with ideas of what to do with this beautiful handcrafted wooden book. Again, this isn't resin to look like wood. This is actual wood, an actual wooden book. And it is just so beautiful. I wanted it to come up with everything from a spell book for a cottagecore witch to, I don't know, like a vintage book. But you know what? I just love the natural wood grain, and I thought, well, I'll make a cottagecore looking centerpiece, and I could use this throughout fall and also for Thanksgiving. I thought it would be really cool to include some notes of gratitude and gratefulness within the book that people can put into the book itself, and you can keep it for years to come. But here, instead of using that ribbon that I have in that background, that beautiful plaid ribbon, I decided to use the leftover raffia that I had from the previous project. And I also decided to add some small gourds. I still had some more left over in my stash. So here are some small gourds that I placed in there. And of course, that wonderful buried wired ribbon or wire that is at the Dollar Tree just adds a little extra, I don't know, just a little more love to this beautiful display. Again, this is a perfect centerpiece or something to put on your mantle as well for the fall season. I don't know, I hope you're inspired to check out One Cottage. And if you are, you know what's wonderful is that I have a discount code just for you. So if you do check out One Cottage, make sure that you use my discount code that is down below. Thanks again to One Cottage for taking the time to check out my channel and for gifting me all these wonderful items to share with you. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. I hope to see you again soon as we continue to celebrate fall and Halloween in the videos to come. See you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and join me for more crafting adventures to come.